guys, how are you doing? So today, since we're all still stuck at home, I decided I'm going to finally clear my bedside table and also all the makeup items that I've been hoarding for ages and are just stuck in my wardrobe. I'm just going to clear everything today. There's lots of things like nail polishes, old compacts, old palettes and things like this, and I'm going to clear everything and I'm going to take you on a journey with me.
So this is my bedside table, and you can see that I have some things on it, like tissue box has to be there. I've got like earrings and stuff that should be put properly. And this is the bottom drawer that I'm talking about, where I have all my makeup, and I'm going to clear all of this today.
I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Never been the type for giving up. Complicated situations only make it worse, cause just getting started is not enough. I'll be around when you need me, promise there won't be no leave. Even on my worst days, 2 a.m. my shift face, tripping off something that you done, yeah. I would never listen my rock compass and run out on you. I know we got our problems, but I would never walk out on you.
So thanks for watching, guys. I'm so glad I finally cleared out that wardrobe with lots of trash in it, and I'll just find something else to continue clearing to occupy my time, and I will see you again really soon. Bye.